Hey everyone, today we want to demo to you one of our new features in which you can send quizzes to other teachers within your school. So here we have two teachers up on the screen. Both are in the same school. On one teacher's screen, I have a quiz, and I'm going to click on the share button, share with teacher, and find the teacher that I want to send the quiz to. You will see a whole list of teachers within your school in which you can send to. You can also search them up. You can select multiple teachers to share your quizzes with, but today we are only sharing with our one teacher. As you can see, the teacher on the right has to refresh the page in order to see the quiz that had been shared with them. You can see that the quiz has been shared by the teacher on the left and Wheeler. You can preview the quiz and also edit the quiz without modifying the other teacher's version. You can now see a modified label on the quiz. This means you can share this quiz back to the other teacher and they will see both your modified version and their version remaining the same as before. The teacher must refresh the page again in order to see that the quiz has been shared with them. They can also preview both quizzes and be able to see that the teacher on the right's modifications did not alter the original quiz. Once you have shared a quiz with someone, you will always be able to see that you have shared that quiz with that teacher. You can also filter your quizzes to purely your own quizzes that you created or quizzes that have been shared to you from other teachers. We really hope this video helped you all out. Thanks for watching.